Hello, welcome to the Helpful Channel. Today I'm going to show you where to find the valves on a Briggs and Stratton push mower engine. So first what you want to do is you want to disconnect the spark plug. Next what you want to do is these are probably going to be blocking the bolts you need to unscrew. So take like a flathead or a chisel and just push them out of the way. Okay, once you've done that, take an 11mm socket and unscrew the bolts. Once you have the exhaust off, the valve will be right here. This is the valve cover right here. And as you see, well, maybe you can't see, but there's a screw there, and there's one screw down here you're going to need to remove. And with some prying, the cover should just come right off. And there you go. There's your valves. So if you ever wondered, well, where are my valves on the Briggs and Stratton push mower engine? They're right there. To put it back together, you do the steps in reverse order. Make sure to line up this square with the square in the hole, and then after that, take your exhaust, line up the screws, the screw holes right there. I don't know if I can give you a clear view of that. It's kind of hard, but alright. And after you tighten that on, just plug back in your spark plug, and you're good to go.